Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch the brand new, fixing to be released, Santa Baby collection from Sista Chic Lacquer. This is a 9-piece collection. It's really big. It's got shimmers, hollows, metallics, creams, and acrylic. I am really excited, and since this is going to be a very long video with 9 polishes to swatch, I'm going to hop right on into it. First, I want to share the items I'm also going to use for the nail art and other things. I'm going to be using Pure Ice Girl on the Run as my top coat for all of the swatches. And for stamping polishes for my accent nails, I'll be using Braves Diva Shutout and Beauty Big Bang 011, the gold, and Beauty Big Bang 001, the blue, as well as Pure Ice's Silver Mercedes. And this Beauty Big Bang XL-030 plate. So I will be showing some of these with toppers on them, and we'll get to that here in just a little bit. So this collection will be releasing and launching on December 1st, and the price is $10 per bottle except for the linear holographic, which is $12 a bottle. Of course, this is going to be, a limited edition collection, so if you see anything you like, you might want to hop on over and grab it. So I'm going to quit yakking and jump right on into the swatches. As always, there will be a link down below for Sista Chic Lacquer. Here we go. Alrighty, first up we have Slip a Sable Under the Tree. This is for those who want to step outside the usual holiday colors. She's a sable cream with a great formula. Dries a little bit darker than in the bottle, but it's rich and luxurious as mink. Look how smooth the formula is on this. It's absolutely amazing. I adore Miss Debbie's creams. She is really doing a good job on these, and this one is beautiful. So there it is, all on its own and with a little bit of nail art. Next up we have I Want a Platinum Mine. It's a platinum silver dream with a hint of patina, almost a one-coater. It's a dreamy metallic finish, and it very well could make an excellent stamping polish. I will be giving it a shot with that. But look how gorgeous. It's silver, but it's not like that bright, crazy silver, and that's what I love about it. It's just like a more sophisticated one. So there it is on its own, and with a little nail art. Next we got the Lapis of Luxury. Can we say gorgeous? It's a deep lapis lazuli with copper flecks throughout. This is acrylic, and it's opaque in 2 to 3 coats, depending on your application. And this is really a fun one to have in a holiday collection. You could stamp some snowflakes or snowmen over this on some accent nails and just rock it. It's just gorgeous. Or you could just wear it all on its own. Beautiful, bright, nice shade for such a gloomy, weather kind of time, So there it is, all on its own, and with a little nail art. So next we've got Cashmere Crush, and I love this one. You guys know how I feel about pinks. I love me some pink polishes. So this one is great for those people that have to wear office appropriate colors. It's a mauve cream with a kiss of sparkle, soft as cashmere, very chic and sophisticated. Perfect polish. Y'all know this is a favorite for sure. Gorgeous. So here's a swatch of it on its own, and then with a little nail art. And next we've got a ring, not the kind on a phone. Christmas Gold Lusciousness. This is sheer enough to use as a topper or for your nails but better look. But yet she builds up easily for a solid gold finish, and this is the perfect Christmas gold and works as a topper to most of the polishes in this collection, which I will be showing you. I love to do some toppers over different colors. To me, it just, you know, it's a way to jazz up some of those other polishes in our collection. And as usual, Miss Debbie just did such a fantastic job on this. The formula is excellent. Love it, love it. Look at that. See that shimmer? Beautiful. And there's with some nail art. So this next one is called Come and Trim My Christmas Tree. And this is an eye-popping glitter bomb, and it's fantabulous. It's in a clear base packed with Aurora flakies. She's not a polish that will be ignored. And Miss Debbie wanted to note, due to the nature of the flakies, she does need a top coat. Trim your holiday manicure with this beauty. I love this. And I am showing it on its own in my swatch photos, but it's just, oh my gosh. Love it. Love, love. I just, you know, stuff like this just rocks me. Look at that. That iridescent flakiness goodness. Alrighty, so next, Hurry Down the Chimney Tonight. This is a sugar plum purple with a soft linear holographic flash. And this one, smooth as butter. I'm telling you, you could not get a better formula. This is amazing. Levels out, no streaks, no brush strokes. Just gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I love me some purple hollow. And Miss Debbie did an amazing job with this one. It's just right up my alley. And there's the swatch photo of it on its own and with the little nail art. Kitty cat. Okay, so next we have 24 karat gray. This is a sumptuous gray cream. Again, mix and match with toppers in this collection and you won't be disappointed. It's a two-coater that applies like a dream. I absolutely love this one. And it's just that time of year when colors like this speak to me. This one's perfect. Love it, love it, love it. This is definitely a favorite from this collection. Alright, so over 24 karat gray, I am applying a coat of, hold on, let me get it right. A ring, not the kind on a phone. I wanted to show it over the gray because I think it looks really pretty. And then now we've got this beautiful Come and Trim My Christmas Tree. This one looks so gorgeous over that gray. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And then this polish I have not shown yet, but I wanted to show it over the gray as well. And this one is going to, this one's going to knock y'all socks off when you see it on its own. But it's called Santa Baby. It's the namesake of the collection. So there are those three over that beautiful gray cream. Okay, now here's Santa Baby. I'm going to show you this one, how it builds up on its own. This is fantastic. So Santa Baby is packed with 3 shades of warm red metallic micro glitter and unicorn pea. She's another great topper that can be built up. And Miss Debbie loves this one over the sable, which I didn't show in this video, but you might get to see it in the future because it sounds like a beautiful combination. But look how gorgeous this is and how well it's building up. You guys know I'm a flaky junkie, and this is right up my alley. So I do have some swatch photos coming up soon of it on its own and with some nail art. I will have a link down below for Sista Chic. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.